Hey everybody, Seth Johnson here with PowerEliteTeam.com. This video is going to be about how to use Facebook to drive highly targeted traffic to your offers. Facebook is great, is a great traffic source for any internet marketing you might be into, be it network marketing, MLM, affiliate marketing. You know, Facebook is the largest social media network. It's got a huge audience, and it does, regardless of whatever you're promoting, they're hanging out here at Facebook. And the good thing about Facebook is you can actually go in and get highly targeted traffic. And you can do that by playing around with the demographics, and it's just really easy to target your preferred audience. Okay, there's two different kind of ads you can create here inside of Facebook. You can do a right column ad, which are these up here on the right hand side, these smaller ads. Okay. Or you can do a newsfeed ad. Now the newsfeed ads show up right in the middle of your post, or they look just like a regular post, like this Teespring ad. You know this is a newsfeed ad because it says sponsored right here. But they show up right in the middle of your post, just like a regular post. These news feeds get more traffic, or they get more clicks, but that doesn't always mean that they're better to use. All right. So I would say starting out, I would just use the right column ads until you get a good grasp of it. Then I would move over to start using newsfeed ads like this one. Okay. I'll do a different video on newsfeed ads. This one we're just going to worry about right column ads. So if you've never used the Facebook's Ads Manager, what you do is you need to scroll down here at the bottom where it says advertising. You'll click on that, and then you'll come over to a page that will look similar to this. And this says, what kind of results do you want for your ads? Okay, you got page posts, page likes, click to website, website conversions. The ones that I use are page likes, clicks to website, and website conversions. These other ones I haven't really used. I've used event responses and offer claims. But for this training, we're just going to do clicks to website. I'm not going to go over each one of these. They're kind of self-explanatory. Like I said, I'm just trying to show you how easy it is to set up an ad. And I will have further training on how to use each one of these later on. So you go clicks to website. This tells Facebook that they're going to track every time somebody clicks on your ad and visits your squeeze page. Remember, we want to send them to a squeeze page. We do not want a direct link because direct linking is bad. Here we need to put in our URL. So this will be our squeeze page URL for whatever you are sending your traffic to. And I'll just put in this one right here. And now we'll start building our ad out. Now what Facebook does is they go into whatever URL you chose and they try to find the image. Okay. But this image isn't all that great. I'm just going to, let's see which squeeze page I use. Okay, this is for my mobile marketing business. So what I'll do is I will just go into my library. I might already have some loaded up. But what you can do, you can either upload some from your computer here, and after you do that, they'll come into your library. Or you can go to find images and you can use their own stock images, which is pretty cool. So let's say you're targeting weight loss. You'll just type in whatever search term there, and then you can use any of these images. Which is, that's a pretty cool feature. Instead of having to go out and buy images from iStock or whatever. What I'm going to do is, this is for my mobile marketing business, so I'm just going to use this one right here. You can reposition here if you want to. Facebook actually does a good job of positioning your image for you. Now what we need to do is turn off news feeds. Okay, we're not doing a news feed ad, we're going to do right column, so just click turn off news feed. And then click on right column, and we're going to write out our headline here. So you need to always, on the headline, you're only given 25 characters, so you need to try to condense whatever you want to say to try to grab their attention. I always like to do this by using a question. So I'm just going to do something like mobile marketing, question mark. All right, and now we need to write out our text. The text should be basically whatever the text is on your squeeze page. Okay, it needs to be highly relevant because remember, we're trying to get them to our squeeze page to opt in. That's our #1 focus. So I'll just put free video, if I could spell, reveals how to drive traffic using mobile marketing or whatever. You have 90 characters, so you can, put in whatever you want to. Okay, and after you do this, then you can see a preview of what your ad's going to look like on the right column. So that's starting to look pretty good. Now we got to build out our audience. These next few steps are all about getting our demographic down to where we want Facebook to show our ad. With locations, every ad I do, I like to only use one country. Okay, so for this one, say I use United States. For the next ad I create, I can use United Kingdom and so on. I just like to use one country at a time because this helps with me with my tracking, and it lets me know which countries are converting better. If I were to group them all together, then I really wouldn't know if United States is doing better than United Kingdom, and so on. So we got United States, and now we need to go to the age. What age do we want our ad shown to? It's all, relative to what you're promoting. I'm just going to do 30 to, let's say 30 to 50. Since we're targeting United States, I'm just going to put English all. And now we need to target an interest. This is the main part of your ad right here. Whatever interest you put in here is going to tell Facebook who exactly to show this ad to. So if I were to target Tony Robbins, then Facebook will only show this ad to people in the United States in this age frame, 30 to 50, who have either shown a like, or who have expressed an interest or liked a Tony Robbins page or a page related to Tony Robbins. All right, this is how it gets highly, highly targeted, right? So depending on who you're targeting, or depending on what you're offering, you need to, make your interest that you're targeting highly relevant to that offer, if that makes sense. I got a little wordy there, but I think you understand what I'm saying. And this shows a potential reach, 760,000. Okay, this is a reach for this target interest. And again, just like the countries, only target one interest per ad. It's very, easy to create multiple ads. And if you start targeting, a bunch of people like Frank Kern, sure, your audience is going to go up, but the problem with putting multiple interests in here is you will not know which one of these two interests is converting better for you. So it's real easy to create a similar ad, and then you'll be able to see which ones are actually converting better for you. So we got Tony Robbins, United States, age 30 to 50. Shows our potential audience is 760,000. It's a pretty big reach. You can get down even more targeted, and this is what I like to do. I like to scroll down to behaviors, and now I can say, Facebook, I only want this ad shown to people who have liked Tony Robbins in the United States in the age of 30 to 50, and also have shown that they are willing to spend money online. Okay, so this is ninja stuff. This is really, really good stuff. So I'll scroll to digital activities, come down to online spenders, and this shows me that these people are ready to pull their credit card out. All right, click on that, and now you can see the reach has gone down to 78,000. So it's gone down a lot, but these are highly, highly targeted 78,000. Okay, all right, we only want our ads shown to people who are interested in it, right? Excuse me. So that's a really cool feature to use. You don't have to use the digital activities behaviors if you don't want to. I just like to use it because I like to be as targeted as possible. Okay, so now we have our ad built out. You can name your campaign name whatever you want, totally up to you. Ad set, I like to just name it whoever I'm targeting. Budget, again, completely up to you. I don't know what your situation is financially, but I would just start off $5 or $10, okay, until you see how your ads are doing. And that just tells Facebook they'll never charge you more than whatever number you put right here. So I would just start it out $5. You can run my ad set continuously starting today, or set a start and end date. Just run it continuously, because after you create your ad, you can pause it, stop it, delete it, do whatever you want to from the back office. All right, optimize for clicks, or excuse me, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's go down to the bidding. You can either optimize for clicks or optimize for impressions. This is, again, it's up to you. I have success with both of them. But if you're starting out, again, I would just go to optimize for clicks. And now it asks you You want to let Facebook automatically optimize your bids, meaning if you use this option, you're letting Facebook determine how much you spend per click. I don't like to do that because I like to have full control of how much I'm spending, so I'll put manually set. Now they'll give you a suggested bid in between 75 cents and $1.33, and they go ahead and pre-populate this field. It looks like somewhere in between those two. So again, you can bid whatever you want to. When I'm starting out with a new campaign, I like to bid a little over the top number here. All right, so the highest number they give you on suggested bid, just go like 7 cents over. So I'll just say $1.40. It says, Facebook, I'm willing to spend $1.40 per each click. That doesn't mean you're going to spend $1.40. Trust me. So don't let that number throw you off. For a $1.40 bid, I will probably only spend about 70 or 80 cents a bid. That number's inflated. I actually have a couple of ads running now where I have $3 maximum bid per clicks, and I've never spent over $1 for any click, and they've been running for a couple of months. If you're happy with it, let's go ahead and review order. Real quick, I will say you need to go ahead and read the Facebook advertising guidelines just to make sure that you conform with their compliance. There's certain things that will not let you promote, and they will disapprove your ad. So take 5 or 10 minutes and read this, and then you're ready to go. Okay, so you're reviewing your order. We got location United States, 30 to 50. They're only going to show my ad to people who have shown an interest in Tony Robbins. Online, their behaviors are online spenders, so that lets me know that they're willing to pull their credit card out and spend money. That's what we want. United States, English speaking, and it's going to show up on the right column. Okay, so if you're happy with all of it, you can name your ad, whatever. I'll just name it Tony Robbins. This is for your benefit. If you're happy, go ahead and click place order. If you need to go back and make revisions, go ahead and hit edit order or whatever. So just hit place order, and then after you do that, Facebook will have a look at your ad and determine if they approve it or disapprove. 9 times out of 10, you won't have any problems with it. And Facebook's very quick. 5 or 10 minutes, you'll have your ad up and running and starting to get targeted leads to your squeeze page. Okay, this is great for any kind of marketing you're doing online, and I'm seeing a lot of success using this with my network marketing. All right, so that's it for this video. I know it's really quick, and I hope that you got some great value out of it. I'll go into more intense training or more detailed training in a future video where I have a little more time. So go ahead and start using Facebook, driving traffic. And before you get out of here, I do want to let you know, if you want to join up with the same marketing system that I use to run 90% of my online business, then you can do so by checking out the link below this video. Also, visit us over there at PowerEliteTeam.com. There's a lot of really cool information. I just started this blog really just a couple of weeks ago, and I still have my other blog up and running, but I wanted to move to more of a brand name, and that is PowerEliteTeam.com. So it's basically just a community of like-minded internet marketers, affiliate marketers, network marketers. And all we're trying to do is we're trying to better our situation, trying to build our business and live our ideal lifestyle. So if that interests you, click on the link below to learn more about it. And having said that, go out there and use Facebook, drive traffic. It's great. Just remember to set you up a budget, $5 or $10 a day, test it out. You're going to be amazed. You're going to have some really good results if you just test. Okay, Seth Johnson, PowerEliteTeam.com. God bless and have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.